Hey guys, today we are discussing about aplastic anemia. Aplastic anemia is rare disease in which bone marrow stops producing blood cells due to reduction in precursor stem cell. Let's have a look on what is bone marrow and precursor stem cell. Bone marrow is a spongy tissue inside some of your bone. This bone marrow consists of precursor stem cells that helps in production of our blood cells, that are RBC, WBC and platelet. Due to some reasons, bone marrow stops or reduces production of blood cells. As a result, there will be decrease in RBC, WBC and platelet. This condition where there will be reduction of RBC, WBC and platelet is called as pancytopenia. Now, we will see what are the reasons that will reduce production of blood cells from bone marrow. Reason can be hereditary, when person receive defective gene from parent, or it can be acquired. Acquired causes include idiopathic, that is unknown reason. We will not understand why anemia has occurred. Autoimmune disorder. It is a condition where your immune system mistakenly attacks your body. Certain medications like high-dose antibiotics such as sulfonamide, chloramphenicol, etc. Anticonvulsant such as phenytoin, chlorenzapine, etc. When person receives chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is a treatment given for cancer. Prolonged exposure to radiations and radiation therapy. Complications of viral infection such as hepatitis, herpes zoster virus, cytomegalovirus. Following are the signs and symptoms you will see in aplastic anemia. Due to decrease in RBC, there will be paler skin and mucosa, fatigue, weakness, chest pain, shortness of breath, cold hand and feet. Due to decreased platelet count, there will be problems of bleeding, as platelet helps in blood clotting. Deficiency of platelet leads to appearance of red spot on skin. There will be increased bruising on skin, prolonged bleeding even if small cut, epistaxis, that is nose bleeding, bleeding gum, blood in stool, heavy and abnormal menstrual bleeding. Due to decreased WBC, there will be increased susceptibility towards infection. In children, along with above signs and symptoms, there will be irritability, impairment of growth, poor feeding and delayed puberty. Aplastic anemia can be diagnosed by doing blood test. It will show decrease in RBC, WBC and platelet and decreased reticulocyte. Bone marrow biopsy and bone marrow aspiration. Other tests like CT scan, X-ray, MRI to elect out any other problem. Aplastic anemia can be managed by doing blood transfusion, administering immunosuppressant drug if anemia is caused due to autoimmune disorder, bone marrow or stem cell transplant, restoration of bone marrow.